Good news, my friends! Kingdomino Origins is coming out and it's epic! Get this! Travel back in time to a prehistoric era of Kingdomino. Build your tribe as strong as you can so you can rule over all kingdoms. Use erupted lava to bring fire to your regions. Gather resources and recruit fearless cavemen to expand your tribe and hunting territory. This is a standalone game in the Kingdomino family. Yes, I'm reading the email. So what's in the box? 4 starting tiles, 4 3D huts, 8 wooden tribe chiefs, 48 dominoes, 1 cave board, 22 cavemen tiles, 4 totem tiles, 1 mammoth, 1 fish, 1 mushroom, 1 flint, 49 wooden resources, 16 mammoths, 13 fish, 11 mushrooms, 9 flints, 10 fire tokens, 1 scorecard notebook, and a partridge in a pear tree. The aim of the game strategically connects your dominoes into your 5x5 hunting territory. Win comfort points and make your territory as welcoming as possible for your tribe. There are 3 game modes to Kingdomino Origins, and it's recommended they are played in the order which you will find out if you buy the game. Because I'm not going to read it all. Just buy it, alright? It's $26.99 according to the email. It's cool!